Hello, today we're going to look at the DeLonghi Scultura coffee machine. I bought this on Amazon for a bargain price of £115 and it looks like a hell of a lot more than £115 if you take a closer look. It's got some great features, some of which are to do with the cleaning and others are to do with just the simple production of coffee. So, what can I tell you? Well, one of the first things to tell you is that a number of people have alleged that there's a fault with the coffee machine and they've had to return it. This is not true. It's because this steam button has been depressed. So when you go to turn on the machine and you expect this OK light to come on, eventually, once the water is up to temperature, you'll find that the machine will turn itself off, as it has done there. Now watch what happens. If I depress this and take the, we'll turn it off, the steam off, and now press, whoops, now you see what will happen. Eventually the water will get up to temperature and the green OK button will come on for saying that it's ready to make coffee. Eventually it will, trust me. Basically that's what the fault is. Just make sure that this button has not been depressed from the last time you used it or when you were cleaning it. You can just about hear the steam building. Just make sure that's closed because this is the steam dispenser here. And there's the light on. It's ready to brew. Now I've not actually loaded it. The coffee machine does come with a combined tamper and measure and 3 pods or sort of receptacles that you put into the handle. This one's for a coffee pod that you can buy, like a coffee bag. This is the single use one for 1 cup or 1 shot of espresso, and this is the double shot espresso or 2 cups. You notice that it has got, oh, I've got the wrong one, that's the single one, and this is the double. Now, I'm just going to turn this off because I want to show you something. When you're cleaning this, the wand, you can actually, if you twist it anti-clockwise, you can pull down and you can take this and wash it at your sink. Now, the other thing is this part here, this comes off as well. Again, by a bit of rotation and pulling down. Same thing, to put it back on, you just push it on and rotate. And then to refix this, push on and rotate clockwise. That makes it a lot easier to clean. The drip tray comes out so you can fit a mug underneath. I find if I'm going to do 2 coffees, use a double one. It doesn't actually fit. These mugs are slightly too broad anyway. So basically what I tend to do is I just tend to fill one up and then split it between the 2 mugs that I'm making coffee in. Overall, oh sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is the actual steam wand. This operates the steam wand, so you can turn this up. Still water in there because it was heated. You rotate this and it increases the amount of steam coming through. Overall, I think you'll agree it's actually quite a good machine. The only criticism I have of it is this is a bit flimsy, this lid. You know, there's a little handle in here which allows you to take the water reservoir out, and the overall, if you hear that, it's not very nice, is it? But you can't really complain for £115 because when you look at the alternatives, they are the espresso pod machines, and to my mind those are, well, they may be consistent in producing good coffee, but they certainly don't give you as much options or variety as you have with actually having one that takes ground coffee. One last thing to say about this machine. It's very good. Sorry, I forgot what I was going to say. Anyway, I recommend